Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. And this is for the both Steam user and Battle.net users. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully mentioned in this video. Now the first fix is to restart Battle.net or Steam as an admin. So first of all, close the Battle.net, and if you're playing the game on Steam, then close the Steam. Also make sure Battle.net and Steam is closed from here. So click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. And after completely closing the Battle.net or Steam, then in Windows search type Battle.net if you're playing the game from Battle.net, and then click on run as administrator and then click yes to allow. This will launch the Battle.net in administrator mode, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now if you're playing the game in Steam, then in Windows search type Steam, then open the Steam as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. This will launch the Steam in admin mode, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to scan and repair files or verify the game files. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then open Battle.net, select Modern Warfare 2 and then click on the settings icon, and then click on scan and repair, and then click on begin scan. And once the 100% scanning has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Steam, then go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game and then click on properties. This is just an example. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to uncheck run this program in compatibility mode for Battle.net or Steam and COD22-COD.exe file. So here how to do it. So in Windows search type Battle.net, then click on open file location, right click on Battle.net exe file and then click on properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, and if compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for is checked mark, then untick it, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the Battle.net and then launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Steam, then type Steam over here in the Windows search, then click on open file location, then right click on Steam exe file and then click on properties. Now go to compatibility tab, and if they run this program in compatibility mode for option is ticked mark, then untick it, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then go to the Modern Warfare 2 game installation folder. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then click on this gear icon, then click on show in Explorer. This will open the game installation folder. And if you have the game on Steam, then right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Then open the retail folder, scroll down, and here you will find the COD22-COD.exe file. Right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and make sure run this program in compatibility mode for is unticked. If it is ticked mark, then untick it, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 4, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewalls. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game folder, open the retail folder, and then select this COD22-COD.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow an app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game folder, open retail folder, select the exe file and then click on open and then click on add. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for Modern Warfare 2 game and then click on OK to save changes. Then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Webroot, Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 5 is to modify the game launch options. Battle.net users can try -D3D11 and Steam users can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So here I will show you how to do it. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then open the Battle.net launcher, select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game, then click on this gear icon, then click on game settings, and here you will see additional command line argument. So click on this, and after ticking it, here you can type -D3D11, then click on done, and then click on play button to launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then again go to the game settings, remove this command, untick it, and then click on done, and then you can follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game, and then click on properties. This is just an example. And in the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to the properties, this time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then open Battle.net, select the Modern Warfare 2 game, click on this gear icon, then click on Show in Explorer. This will open the game installation folder. And if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game. This is just an example, and then select manage, and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now what you have to do, you have to open the retail folder, and here you will find the game exe file, that is cod22-cod. Right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking this exe file and see if that helps or not. If that doesn't work, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three options, just uncheck them, then hit on apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to try different region and check, and if that doesn't work, then you can always switch back to your original region. So first of all, open the Windows settings. On the left, click on time and language, then click on language and region, and from here you can select a different country or region. So click on this arrow icon and then select different country or region and see if that works or not. If not, then you can always change back to your original region or country. And then if you have the game on Battle.net, then open the Battle.net, click on this globe icon and then select different region and then try to launch the game and check. And if you have the game on Steam, then click on Steam, go to settings, go to the download tab, and here you will see the download region. Click on this and select different region and try. If that doesn't work, then you can always switch back to your original region, and then you can follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to uninstall or delete the beta files. Now if we have installed the beta version earlier, then simply uninstall or delete the beta version of the game and its related files, and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So if you are a NVIDIA user, then in Windows search type NVIDIA app, then open the NVIDIA app, then go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates icon. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after installing them, just restart your device. And once your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are a AMD users, then open the AMD Adrenal software and then look for any updates available for your graphic card driver or not. And if there are any updates available, then update your graphic card driver. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x86 version and x64 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Then click on add desktop app, and then browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So if you have the game on Battle.net, then open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game folder, open the retail folder, select this COD22-COD.exe file, and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here you can see, expand it. Next to GPU preference, select the high performance. And after selecting the high performance, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to set high performance NVIDIA processor in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search for NVIDIA Control Panel and open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Then click on Manage 3D Settings. Then go to the Program Settings. Then click on Add. And from the list over here, look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare game. Here it is, select it, and then click on Add Selected Programs. Now if you don't see Call of Duty Modern Warfare over here, then you can also click on Browse, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game folder, open retail folder, then select this COD22-COD.exe file, and then click on open to add it. After adding it, here in the drop down, select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply button. Don't forget to hit on apply button to save the changes, and after saving the changes, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open the device manager. Now expand the display adapters. Here you will see the integrated graphic card driver. Right click on it and then select disable device, and then click on yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then enable the device. Fix 14 is to turn off or turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, and here you will see advanced graphic settings. Expand it, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you have to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. If it is turned off, then turn it on, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to delete Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all saved settings. Doing this will also reset custom in-game keybinds and settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer. On the left, click on Documents, and here you will see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game folder. So right click on it first, then copy it, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 16 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So if you have the game in Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, and here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, enable it, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel, and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 17 is to set power saver in power options, or you can also try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel, then click on hardware and sounds, then click on power options. In my PC it is showing balanced, but if in your PC it is showing balanced power saver or high performance, then first select the power saver, then save the changes and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and then check. If that also doesn't work, then you can also select balanced and check. So switch between these three options and see which one works for you. Fix 18 is to lower down graphic settings or try windowed mode if able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game, then you can try this fix 18. So first of all, launch the game, then click on this gear icon, settings icon, then go to the graphic settings. Then from the display mode, click on this drop down and select windowed mode, and then relaunch the game and check. Now you can turn off VSync if it is turned on. Now go to the quality tab. Now set this details and texture to normal or low. Set it all this to low. And then click on apply settings. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 19, you can try this advanced troubleshootings. Adjust GPU clocks and thermals. If the game crashes to desktop during the intense firefights, it might be a DirectX error caused by thermal throttling. If you use overclocking software such as MSI Afterburner, then you can try slightly lowering your GPU clock frequency or raising your fan speed to keep temperatures down. You can also try this, check Windows system files. Corrupt operating system files can crash the game unexpectedly. So open the command prompt as an administrator, then type sfc /scan now, press enter and restart your PC after the scan completes. So in Windows type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt type sfc /scan now and then hit on enter. It is showing beginning system scan. This process will take some time. And once this 100% verification has been done, then you can close this command prompt and then just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 20 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar Afterburner, Reba Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 21 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the updates, just restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game from your PC, then restart your PC, then fresh reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.